Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of product documents and attachments. Let's have a look at the back end. Go to the Products Document tab inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you will see two tabs. In Bulk Attachment tab, you can add multiple rules for product attachment. In Settings tab, you can enable Disabled Plugin, set tab title for product attachment, documents position, and short codes available to display attachments anywhere. Go to the Products tab and edit any product. Here you can click on a Product Attachment tab to attach product-specific attachments. Let's have a look at the front end. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact support team.